Hello, my name is Brea Hamlet, and today I will be presenting on Zika virus and how the state of California prepared for any potential outbreaks or localized transmission of this emerging disease. Here you will find the agenda of the different topics that I will cover today. And just some brief background. So Zika virus is not new. It's been around for quite some time. Initially found in 1947 amongst monkeys, and then shortly thereafter amongst humans, and scientists quickly found out that mosquitoes were the vector for this disease. The previous outbreaks occurred in tropical areas such as Southeast Asia and the Pacific Islands, and most recently we saw an outbreak in 2015 in South America, more specifically in Brazil, and that transmission slowly worked its way through Central and North America. Here's a quick overview of the symptomology of Zika. It is very much like the flu, and so many cases probably went undetected. The more severe cases, such as those that began to become Guillain-Barré syndrome, and most devastating when infants are born with microcephaly, were the ones that really helped steer surveillance of this emerging disease. And here you'll just have a photo of microcephaly, what that looks like amongst infants at the standard stage and then the severe stage. So in order to prepare for any potential outbreak amongst California counties, there was quite a bit of an eye on what was going on in the greater United States. And so the United States remained free of local transmission until fall 2016, when Florida reported localized transmission in their Miami neighborhoods. So that kind of gave the other states an idea as to how to do localized surveillance. So case finding became incredibly important, looking for cases who reported certain symptoms, cases who were pregnant, who reported any travel, who reported an infected partner, and then of course any woman who gave birth to babies with microcephaly. It was also very critical that local vector surveillance was conducted in any areas where Aedes species thrive, so trapping, testing those mosquitoes was critical. One thing that California could have done was screened emergency room reports for keywords such as rash and fever to look for any potential cases, and of course then send any positive results off to CDC for confirmatory testing, because we did not have a great test for Zika initially because it was so incredibly new. So that confirmatory testing definitely was critical to rule out any potential cases. Here you'll find a very recent map of continued surveillance of these mosquitoes for Zika preparedness throughout the counties of California. As you can see, they're mostly concentrated in Southern California, very to Mexico. And this campaign was conducted by the California Department of Public Health to help prevent any potential outbreaks. So Don't Bring Zika Home covers all of the basics about preventing Zika, whether it be through bug spray or wearing layers, preventing any standing water, and not traveling to any communities with ongoing transmission, especially if you're a high-risk case like a pregnant woman. The final thoughts for Zika preparedness is that it really required a good coordinated effort from many different public health partners, but their quick response really prevented hundreds of cases in the state and likely thousands of cases throughout the United States. And there are my references, and I would like to thank you for your time.